You really need to see how much this puppy has grown and changed in the past week. Just unbelievable. He's watching the parents run around. You can see how his ears have dropped. Nice body, nice weight. Just full of attention to what's going on. Just a sweet little puppy. Oops, that's his dad. He's here and talking. Yeah. Yep. And you can see he is gorgeous. Just wanted to give you an update on the whole litter, how all of them are growing. Like I said, this is Bobby. Bob, turn around here. That's it. Come on over here. How you doing, Bob? You sure are a sweet-looking little pup, Bob. Yes, you are. I'm going to hang up now. Bye-bye.